Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn another quick tip, and this one is going to be about alignment and tags. So, say you brought a couple of stickies here, maybe they're shapes or cards. What you can actually do is once you select them, there's a couple things. One, you see that little gray icon there. Before clicking on it, I encourage you to hold it. And once you hold it, maybe move your mouse around. See how I'm able to change how it's grouped, maybe 3 by 2 or 2 by 4. Let's go back to the original view. I once again have selected my stickies that I want to be in alignment. And on the top right, you can see there's a little icon that says Align Objects. This one allows you to align it based on a line, maybe in the center, vertically, horizontally. What's great about it is you can also put it all in one frame and nicely spaced out, and even put them all in one pile. Now, going back to our original view here, maybe you wanted to add cluster or add tags in bulk. What's great about it is you can select those specific stickies. Maybe we want to isolate them as just vowels, and the latter half are grouped or categorized as consonants. Cons. You just have to spell, maybe change the color for that. And you can see I have applied my tag in bulk. You can then take that to the next step, clustering it based on our tags. You can also cluster it based on the color of the sticky, but in this case, what's great is it's now grouped and we have an understanding of those vowels and consonants. Thank you.